Hi, I'm Alejandra and today I'm going to show you how to make a SWOT analysis chart like this one. First of all, we go to vislo.com and choose SWOT analysis from the over 100 available charts. We have here some examples where we see that a SWOT analysis is an evaluation tool for any kind of venture and its internal and environmental factors. To start with, we will decide on the look of our chart. We can choose one of the great predetermined themes available, or you can upload your company's corporate image and apply it to all your visualizations in seconds. We give our chart a title by simply clicking and typing. It is as easy as that to customize the SWOT analysis chart. We now click on the different elements we want to edit and start typing again our text. We can do so as freely as we would in any other kind of text box, going back and forth as needed. When our chart is ready, we can choose to download it as a PNG or PDF file, or we can create a link to share it with editing or viewing rights. And that is it. We've got a fully customizable SWOT analysis. Don't forget to come back for more useful tutorials on charting and data visualization.